Experiencing a Unity error when launching Pick on your PC? This guide will help you troubleshoot crashes on startup, Unity Player, DLL errors, or generic Unity crash windows. These errors often stem from corrupted BIOS, outdated graphics drivers, or missing components like DirectX or Visual C++ redistributables. So go ahead and open Steam and go to your game library. Locate the pick, right-click on it, and select Properties. Find the Launch Options box. You might need to click on the tab like General or Advanced. Copy the launch command and paste it into the box and close the Properties window and try launching the game again. If pick starts, you're all set. If not, return to the launch options, remove the command you pasted, and proceed to the next step. Now open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager and expand the display adapters. Right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and let Windows find and install any updates. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you can also update through the NVIDIA app. Open the Start menu, type NVIDIA app, launch it, go to the Drivers tab, and check for updates and install the newest driver if available. Keeping your driver updated is crucial for preventing these errors. If you can now access the game, there is one more thing. Go to the in-game settings menu within the peak. Find the VSync setting and enable it. Also set the maximum frame rate to 60 FPS and go back to the main menu and relaunch the game. These settings can stabilize performance and help prevent Unity crashes. This should also resolve your pick Unity error. So if this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.